Going to get your wire, and where you want to collect 5. That's 4 and 5. Meet it right there. And gently pull up. Five more. You can do 6 if you prefer. Push it up just a little bit, like maybe a 1/2 inch. Bend the wire until it meets right there, and holding it in place, twist. Just like that. Place it in your finger there and gently twist 3-4 times. 5 more. If you don't have one of these bead spinners, I swear by them. Can't work without them, especially when you're working with the little guys like the seed beads or these double hold. I just love it. It's so much easier. Let that drop. Like the other one, push it up slightly. Again, meet it right there. And twist. So it forms a flower. Very cute. All right. And again, hold it between your finger, pull up gently, and twist it. This time you're going to twist at least 6, 7, 8, 9.